Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmy. You might know me from my Instagram, Emmy Painting Positivity, or from my small business, Bubble Flower. On the weekend, I visited a sunflower farm near where I live. The flowers were so bright and happy, I couldn't wait to rush home and draw and paint some myself. In this tutorial, we're going to go through a really sweet and simple way of drawing and painting sunflowers. It's going to be perfect for beginners, or if you just want to relax and have some fun. I'll be sharing these simple, fun tutorials regularly, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. The art supplies you will need to create these bright, beautiful sunflowers are all detailed below. I've started by drawing 2 concentric circles lightly in pencil to give myself a template. I'm going to start with the centre of the sunflower using this 0.4 pen. I'm using it to draw tiny circles around this pencil ring that I have already made. Each circle is touching each other and I'm going round until the ring is completely full. This next ring of circles is going to be slightly larger, each circle still touching each other but slightly bigger than the last ring. Now we're going to keep drawing these small circle rings until we get to the very centre and the circle is completely full. As we move towards the centre, each row of circles is going to get slightly smaller until they're extra tiny in the centre. There we have it, the centre of our sunflower. Now we're going to draw the petals. Keep your pen close to the paper for a nice smooth line. This petal is just simple, straight on, but some of them are going to be bendy, like this one. So pay careful attention to where your lines go, so you can give the appearance of the petal bending or flopping over, or in some cases, like this one, twisting all the way around. I like to keep turning my paper so that I'm in a comfortable position to make my lines as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to use a 0.1 pen, so a slightly thinner pen, to add some details to these petals. I'm starting at the point of the petal and bringing out thin lines, roughly 4 or 5 per petal. Now doing the same from the base of the petal and working my way around the flower until every petal is done. On these twisty petals, think carefully about which way the lines of the petals would go in real life. Back to the 0.4 pen, draw a long, smooth, bendy stem. I like to add these small little dots around the flower as well. Firstly, we're using a darker orange. This is the Cadmium Orange from my Winsor & Newton watercolour set. I've added a small amount of water to it, and I'm adding it delicately to the base of the petal. Wash off your brush. I'm using a size 5 Winsor & Newton round brush. Now using a lighter orange colour, I'm using the Cadmium Yellow Deep to do the end of my petals, similarly to how we did with the darker colour. Then blend the two colours in together using a little water. Repeat this process as we move around the flower, doing each petal individually, with the darker orange at the base of the petals and the lighter colour at the tip. I always like to use some leftover paint from my palette just to add some small dots around the flower. Be careful not to put your arm in it and smudge them though. And there we go, my sunflower doodle with watercolour paints. I really hope you enjoy creating it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video.